We guide you through how to find your Google two-step verification backup codes. So the first thing you need to do is to open your browser, go to Google Account Settings, then click on Security in the left menu. Scroll down until you see two steps verification and select it. You may be asked to enter your password to continue. Once inside, look for the section labeled Backup Codes. Here, you'll see an option to view or download your existing codes. Click Show Codes to display them instantly, or choose Download or Print if you want to save copy for offline use. If you've already used most of your codes or want a fresh set, simply click Get New Codes and Google will automatically generate a new list while invalidating the old ones for security. Make sure to store these codes in a safe place as they are essential for accessing your account if you lose your phone or you can't receive verification codes.